The AI industry is changing quickly, and new strong competitors are joining the battle to challenge long-standing giants like OpenAI's ChatGPT. Since its public debut in November 2022, ChatGPT has dominated the conversational AI field. However, with Google's Gemini just launched, a strong rival may have risen to challenge ChatGPT's one-year reign. What is Gemini? Gemini is Google's largest language model, which CEO Pichai initially demonstrated at a conference in June 2023 and is now widely available to the public. So what makes Gemini so special, and why does it have ChatGPT shaking in its boots? Gemini is more than an AI model. It is available in various forms to accommodate varying needs. For instance, Gemini Nano is a variant that is lighter and compatible with Android devices. Additionally, there is Gemini Pro, which powers several Google AI services. However, it doesn't stop there. Additionally, there is the Gemini Ultra, which is Google's most powerful LLM and most capable model so far. It appears that Gemini Ultra was created especially for enterprise applications and data centers. This collection of 3 major language model variants is designed to comprehend and function with various kinds of data. The LLM is capable of handling a variety of information formats, including text, code, pictures, audio, and videos. Multimodality at its finest. So how good is it? Gemini's performance. In order to make sure the Gemini models meet the standards, Google has been working hard to test them and carefully evaluate them on a range of tasks. It is said that Google's Gemini Ultra exceeded current state-of-the-art results on 30 of the 32 widely used academic benchmarks used in LLM research, with a whopping score of 90%. It has been shown that Gemini Ultra is the first model to surpass human experts on MMLU. MMLU incorporates 57 subjects, including math, history, law, medicine, physics, and more, to test world knowledge as well as problem-solving abilities. Examining these benchmarks, we can see that Gemini's biggest advantage is its ability to interact with audio and video. With the development of DALL-E and Whisper, OpenAI has demonstrated its commitment to do this. But Google took it a step further and used a multi-sensory approach right from the beginning. Using a new code-generating system called AlphaCode 2, which is said to perform 85% better than other competitors in coding competitions, Google also highlighted the advancements in coding. What can Gemini do? Gemini is a multimodal LLM with a wide range of capabilities. These, of course, are conversation-based. It has the ability to communicate and recall the responses it gave. Gemini can respond to queries from users since it has access to a variety of information sources. It can also help with content creation and be used as a creative tool. The Gemini 1.0 Pro model is currently offered in 230 countries and more than 40 languages. Google also announced Gemini 1.5 in mid-February. What are the main differences between Gemini and ChatGPT? ChatGPT and Google Gemini have become increasingly similar since the release of Gemini Ultra 1.0, which makes it more competitive with GPT-4. Both offer a free service, a subscription service, with prices that are almost the same, and comparable user interfaces and use cases. The majority of the differences occur in their underlying language models. Also, they have different training models, data sources, user experiences, and how they store data. Training models. ChatGPT is based on OpenAI's GPT 3.5 or GPT-4, depending on whether you're using the free or paid version. However, as I said earlier, Gemini comes in 3 sizes: Gemini Nano for small devices, Gemini Pro for a variety of tasks, and Gemini Ultra for extremely complex operations. Ultra 1.0, which powers the subscription Gemini Advanced version, is faster and more advanced than the model used for the free Gemini Pro. Data sources. The data sources that ChatGPT and Gemini use to train their LLMs are the main difference between the two. GPT-4 data extends to April 2023, but GPT 3.5 uses predetermined data that ends in January 2022. Gemini uses real-time data that is retrieved from the internet. It is tuned to select data from sources that fit specific topics, such as coding or the latest scientific research. User experience. Users of ChatGPT can use any email address to sign in to the free chat service. Additionally, ChatGPT offers an API that programmers can utilize to include OpenAI LLMs into other programs. Although there isn't a save option, users can copy and paste ChatGPT replies into other programs. There is an archive button on ChatGPT that allows you to quickly retrieve prior responses by listing them in the left-hand pane. ChatGPT 3.5 can only provide text-based responses. It is unable to include photos, videos, charts, or links. It is also incapable of conducting an internet search. Due to OpenAI's tight collaboration with Microsoft, ChatGPT is compatible with Windows applications, including Word, Excel, PowerPoint, and Outlook. Also, Microsoft's Copilot AI assistants use ChatGPT-4's language model. The Gemini Pro interface allows users to like or dislike a response, change the size or tone of the message, and also export it to Google Docs or Gmail. The Review Other Drafts feature in Gemini shows additional versions of the response. Gemini allows users to upload photographs as well, but its ability to create images is on hold until Google improves that feature. There is currently no API for Google Ultra 1.0. However, Google does plan to integrate Gemini with its applications such as Docs, Gmail, Google Meet, and Google Slides as part of its Google One AI Premium subscription. Data storage and privacy. User data is stored by both Google Gemini and ChatGPT. All prompts and questions entered are stored by ChatGPT. With its archive feature, users can go over past conversations. Even while people have the option to remove chats and responses, the chatbot may keep using these responses as training data for its LLM. This raises privacy concerns when users enter personal data or proprietary information. In addition, OpenAI also revealed that ChatGPT collects device information, network activity, contact information, and geolocation data. OpenAI's privacy policy states that it collects any personal information provided by users. OpenAI may also share geolocation data with third parties such as vendors and service providers, as well as law enforcement agencies if required to do so by law. Gemini keeps chats in a user's Google account for 18 months. However, users have the option to modify this timeframe in their activity settings to 3 months or 3 years. Gemini conversations can also appear in searches, raising privacy concerns. Google says it gathers location data, user input, chat history, and usage information. According to the Google privacy policy, Google utilizes the information it collects to develop, provide, maintain, and enhance services as well as offer personal services like content and advertisements. Google said it will share information with third parties with user consent and law enforcement when required. Which chatbot is better? To my knowledge, for text-based activities, ChatGPT is generally regarded as the best solution, whereas Gemini is the greatest option for multimedia content. Finally, it appears that now is Google's moment to reclaim the top spot and demonstrate to us why they were at the forefront of AI innovation. What do you think will happen next? Remember to share your thoughts with us in the comment section below.